Today, I'll be taking you through the sign up and use of the AI tool Perplexity. First off, in your search bar, type perplexity AI. When you first arrive, you'll see a clean homepage with a large search bar right in the center. To start, click sign up on the right hand side. You can use an email address or a Google or Apple account. The free version is perfectly fine for most research tasks. Once you've verified your email, you will land on the main dashboard. Now, in the search bar, let's try a simple example: best ways to increase sales. Perplexity provides a neat summary of key insights. Notice how it breaks down the information clearly and also into bullet points. Below the text, you'll see citations. Each small number or link points to the original article or study Perplexity used to build its answer. If you click on one of these links, it takes you straight to the source. Incredibly useful for reports or presentations, as you can quickly verify or reference it accurately. Now, on the right hand side, you can see the focus modes. You'll see options like all, academic, and web. If you choose academic, Perplexity will pull its research from papers and journals. If you choose web, it focuses more on current articles. Also, beside this, you can choose from different models and also attach files, or even use the microphone tool if you've done enough talking for the day. On the left hand side, you will see an option for where you can search, an option for deep research, and also labs where you're allowed to create projects from scratch. On the left hand side, you will find the sidebar. Home, where you can discover topics and even create threads to store chats and prompts. Discover, where you can browse many topics of interest. And Spaces, where you can create projects and have all your data neatly stored, and also an option to browse templates. Lastly, we will look at the upgrade option in the bottom left of the screen. There are many upgrade options available. It is worth reading to see which one best describes your needs. If you think Perplexity will boost your productivity or even just make things a little easier, it's often worth the upgrade. So, to recap, sign up, type your question in, review your sources, and use focus modes to target the kind of information you need. Perplexity turns what could be hours of research into just a few minutes of clear, traceable insights.